Hello friends, I am Vihan Rai. You are watching Music and Must with Vihan Rai. I am going to speak on nature and science. The entire physical world around us is nature. So the nature is the most precious gift from God to mankind. We should be thankful for that. But the truth is we humans are just 0.1% of life on earth. For the centuries, we humans have misused nature for our advancement. Science and technology are no doubt good. They give us convenience and comfort, but at three major costs. First, global warming. Second, loss of natural resources. Third, pollution. These three are disturbing the balance of nature. Nature has always inspired science for new inventions. Remember humans, we are just a part of nature. It is important to find the right balance between nature and science. Without science and technology, life is difficult. But without nature, life is impossible. Thank you.